Hi, it's Darnell with Whalen Recipes, and just wanted to make this video to basically answer the question for anyone who asked, and then going forward I can refer back to this so that anyone who asks will know. But you've probably seen in my more recent reviews I haven't reviewed any internet connected cookers, and I want to be clear as to why, so that people who disagree can go somewhere else to watch their review or whatever if they want to do that. But I'm just going to be straight up with you, and this is where I stand. Basically, I am not looking to do reviews of internet connected cookers. And some reasons why, and I'm not like trying to rant here, but these are just my stances. Basically, I don't want to do indoor internet connected cooker reviews going forward, because indoors, I have become, I guess the first thing and most important thing is I've become more conscious about electromagnetic fields. And so I have some concerns there. And I'll just leave that there, because on some platforms you're not allowed to say certain things, but you who know, you know, and so you know I know. Basically, also, if it's like an outdoor cooker, I could see maybe having it connected to something to not have to keep running outside, especially when it's really hot and such. But for an indoor cooker, I can walk to my kitchen. I can adjust it. If someone feels that's an impediment for them, that's not an impediment for me. So I'm not going there. And so I can check the stuff myself. I can make the adjustments myself. And basically, also with internet connected things, no company needs to know when I'm cooking something. They don't need to know when I'm using the cooker. And sure, I know that a cooker, they may have means to turn the Wi-Fi off and this and that. Well, I don't care. I'm just not, no, just not going to. If I want people to know what I'm cooking, it'll be a video and you'll see it. And so basically, this I guess you could call as an addendum to a video I did earlier about cooking myths and health tips, where I talked about some things regarding health and whatnot. But as I said, there are some things that I've learned that have really helped me, and so that's the way I'm gonna go. And anybody who disagrees, well, you go your own way, and that's the way it is, and I'm all good with that. And so I want to be straight up with you, tell you the deal, and you can make your own decisions. But I hope that you do appreciate the video, and as you know, nothing on the video is sponsored. You can always help lots of ways in the video description, such as the cookbook, merch, membership, donations. There's a link to my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. There's always lots of nice things there. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, you can give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.